Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to enable this mode, you can just go to the control center here, and here you have D&D. You can switch this mode here. By holding your finger on it, you can also access some of its settings. You can allow incoming calls from anyone, from contacts only, from specific contacts, or from nobody. There's also an option to notify about repeated callers. If the same person rings you in a 15-minute period, you will get its call. You can also restrict floaty notifications, and you can set a schedule for it here. Just set your own time, day of the week here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.